Ladies and gentlemen, today I bring you the Range R2 by Wilderness Vans, a fiberglass truck camper so tough it makes your ex's heart look soft. Now, I've slept in everything from rooftop tents to a questionable hammock my neighbor Gary swore was weatherproof. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, do us a solid and hit that subscribe button right now. It's free, unlike gas prices. And if you smash that like button too, I'll personally send Gary to fix your hammock. The Range R2 is built for 3/4 ton trucks or anything with an 8-foot 2.4 meter bed. It sleeps up to 4 adults, which means you, your partner, your third wheel best friend, and Gary, assuming he doesn't snore like a broken leaf blower. The R2 comes with 2 layouts. The R1 sleeps 3, the R2 handles 4. And trust me, with the extended bunk setup hanging over the dining area, it's basically a rolling bunkhouse for adults who still argue over who gets the top bunk. Inside, the left side greets you with a fridge, a massive storage closet, and a countertop extension. On the right, a proper galley kitchen with a sink, cooktop, and enough storage to hide snacks from your road trip companions. The dinette is massive, great for eating, working, or just crying over a lost signal in the woods. Now here's where it gets juicy. This camper isn't just good looking, it's off-grid ready. Solar panels are standard, and the model I checked out had an EcoFlow Power Kit with 2 kilowatt-hours of battery juice. Freshwater tank? Standard is 19 liters, 5 gallons. But with storage space like this, you can toss in extra jugs and pretend you're living in luxury. Outdoor shower? Check. Dometic toilet? Yep. Basically, you can camp anywhere and still feel kinda civilized. So what's the damage to your wallet? 62,800 Canadian, or around $45,700 USD. About 42,900 euros at the time of writing. Is it pricey? Yeah. But remember, you're buying a truck camper that could survive a small apocalypse. I think the R2 is one of the most unique, ready-to-roll truck campers of 2025. And if you disagree, just know Gary is standing by in the comments section. Want to support the channel for just $1? Be a legend and hit that sponsorship link below. $1 a month. That's less than the cost of a gas station burrito, and this content has fewer regrets afterward.